How would you like to earn an additional income online simply by answering questions? And how would you like to be getting paid $75 per hour for tasks that you could be doing every single day? If that's something that sounds good to you, then you definitely want to stick around until the end of this video. What's up, money makers? Welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, my name is Diamond Chanel and we talk about all things money. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some really cool websites that are going to pay you simply by doing short interviews. Some of these you don't even have to be on camera for. Now, if you're someone that's constantly looking for different ways to make money online, then you've come to the right place. We don't do long intros here, so we're just going to jump right into my computer and I'm going to show you the opportunities that I'm talking about. This first website's name is Respondent, and they're going to pay you anywhere from $25 to $300 for taking different interviews. They're going to be specific to the answers that you filled out during your application. Now, they do pay primarily through PayPal, so before getting started, you want to make sure that you have a PayPal account. Now, going into some of the tasks that you might have to do or the interviews that they offer, all of them will be remote. Some of them will be one-on-one interviews, and some of them will simply be group studies where you will join a group of other individuals with a similar application as you. Most of these interviews seem extremely simple. Some include if you are a parent with young children to review a game and then give your feedback on it. Another includes that if you are interested in a particular product, this company wants to speak with you and find out why you might be interested in that product so that they can do better marketing towards their customers. You can use their filter system as well as their search bar in order to find specific projects that you might be more interested in. Once you find the project that you like, you're going to go ahead and start the screener. So you can only do 3 screens per day, meaning that you can only apply for about 3 jobs per day. You're going to answer some simple questions, and then you're going to go ahead and press submit. Once you've submitted the screener, you're going to wait for the evaluator to reach back out to you to see if you have been chosen to do this project. Once your interview is complete, you'll get paid via PayPal. Now, just something to note, that the processing fee is going to be about 5% or $1, whichever one is going to be higher. So if the project was $150, you're going to end up getting $142 via PayPal for that project. Next, we have a website called User Interviews. So you're going to earn money for giving your feedback on real products, and they have conducted about 2,000 studies every single month. Getting started, you're going to create your profile, apply to the studies, and then you'll be able to show up and get paid. And it's pretty simple as that. So I'm going to show you some more information about this website, and then we'll go over some of the pay structures and who is able to participate. The website says that the average study pays over $65, so you will be paid fairly for your time. And these are the type of interviews they have available. So they have online tests and surveys, which they pay $20 to $300. They have online interviews, which are 30 minutes to 2 hours. They have all online studies, online focus groups, which pay $40 to $200. Now, something to note, some of their pay structures are going to be in the choice of digital gift cards, and others are going to be payments via PayPal. So they have payments that are paid from directly of the website, and then payments that are paid directly from the researcher. Now, please check the screen to see if your currency is available and to also see if your country or region is listed here as who can participate. So even if you do get the gift card option, they have gift cards from Amazon, Target, Whole Foods, Starbucks, Uber, Southwest Airlines, DoorDash, Airbnb, and other notable companies. Once your interview is complete, it can take up to 10 days before you receive your payment. Hold on just a moment. If you can hear me, what I need you to do is to go into the comment section right now and leave me your most recent emoji. This is something fun that we do here so that I can interact with as many of you as possible. Now, also, I gotta tell y'all this. YouTube is telling me that over 80% of y'all are not subscribed to this channel. We need to fix this right away. If you're somebody that likes to earn money and you want to stay up to date on the newest ways to make money online, then you need to tap that subscribe button. Okay, let's get back into the video. Our next website is from StudyPool, which says that you can earn up to $7,500 monthly from working as a home tutor. However, you don't have to be on video. You're just answering questions. Now, I'm going to be honest with y'all. I don't know how realistic that is that you're going to earn that much money, but it does seem like a cool way to earn a couple of extra dollars in cash by doing some simple tasks. Now, this is how much they said that their top earners are earning. And also, this is something that is open to people all around the world. Now, this is an important message. You cannot use ChatGPT to answer these questions. They're very strict about plagiarism. They are paying you for your authentic answer and your expertise. So as you can see here, these are some of the tasks that it's going to look like. Some of these are as low as $5. Where it depends on how complex the answer to the question needs to be. So this is an example of a student who was doing Spanish and they just needed quick answers about Spanish verbiage. Now, this is one that is asking about child custody law. And this is the tutor that answered the question about child custody law, which looks like it's about maybe a 3 to 5 paragraph answer. So if you are knowledgeable in any type of area, you can go ahead and answer these questions and get paid. They also have PayPal, but they have a wider range of other options for you to get paid. In order to be considered, you must go ahead and fill out this application. It's pretty simple. It's asking you about your experiences. Now, they do have another way that you can make money monthly through this same website, and they say that they'll pay you up to $5,000 a month for sharing your college documents or any type of studious documents that you may have, and they pay $10 every time your document is viewed by a student. So your document doesn't even have to be downloaded, but just every time that it is viewed. So they say that this is a great way for you to earn some passive income by simply uploading some old documents that you might have from your college days or even your high school document. Now, if you made it to this part of the video, I want to give you a huge thank you. And I also need to let you know that the money does not stop here. If you go into my description box, you're going to see a wealth of different resources that's going to teach you how to make money online. So you definitely want to check out the description for the links to more money and also the links to this video. Now, also, if you don't hit that description before you go, you definitely need to check out these 2 videos here because they're going to give you some more money making tips. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one.